Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name's Natalie and I do videos on handbag reviews, unboxings, a bit of luxury eye candy. So if you're into any of those, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you back. So in today's video, I've got a super exciting video to share with you guys. I'll be unboxing this bad boy right here. So this item I actually got last month, and that's why it still has the Lunar New Year ribbon on it. And it's just taken me so long to film this unboxing just because it's been a crazy past month due to Lunar New Year, of course, and also it was my birthday in February. So I consider this as a gift from me to me for my birthday last month, and I'm so happy I finally have this in my hands. If you guys have seen my luxury wish list videos and previous videos of mine, you will probably know what this item is. I'm so excited for this, and once you see it, you guys will be just excited as well. So this little bad boy is really hard to find from Louis Vuitton, so I'll unbox it with you guys and then I'll share with you how I managed to get my hands on it. So first up, we've got the beautiful Lunar New Year red ribbon all around it. So we just pull off the ribbon like that, and it's just a beautiful red ribbon. And I have already unboxed it, of course, because I just couldn't wait. And then just the magnetic closure. So inside we have this little dust bag. So I'm sure by the size of this, you know what the item is. Look how tiny that is compared to the box. So I'll just take the item out. So what I got from Louis Vuitton is the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. How cute is that? Look how tiny it is. It just fits in my palm like that. So if you guys have seen previous videos of mine, you know how much I've been raving about this and how much I've been wanting it. So I'm so glad I finally have it in my hands right now. It's so cute, and I can't believe I finally have it. It's been months of stalking and hunting and harassing my essays for this item, and I'm so glad I finally got it. So I'll just give you a quick overview of it. I'm sure you guys know, but I'll just share with you guys quickly just because I want to be as informative as possible in my videos. So this is the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. It only comes in the monogram canvas at this stage anyway. So it's super tiny. It just resembles the classic Speedy so much, except it does have a crossbody strap attached to it. So unfortunately, so many people have mentioned this, and unfortunately it is a con. It's not adjustable, nor is it detachable, so it's stuck onto the handbag like this. So that's the major difference between this and the classic Speedies. Like, they don't have a strap unless you get the bandolier version, but then you do have the option of detaching it in the bandolier version. So that's the major difference between them that I've noticed anyway. But other than that, everything else is the same. We've got a zipper closure on top. We've got the classic leather handles there, and everything else, the piping around the edges is just so perfect. And I just love the look of the Speedy, like the Nano Speedy in the monogram print. I don't like too many LV, like Louis Vuitton logos all around on like a large surface area, but because this is a nano size, it's just the right amount. You've only got 2 LVs there, and then here on the side we've got just the one. So I think that is so symmetrical. I think that just suits this kind of handbag so well, and that's what I love about small leather goods. It's just like a focus point of the LV, if that makes sense. It's just like how I think anyway, and what my personal taste is. Everyone's different and everyone has their own opinions, but that's just my personal preference. And inside it's just one opened compartment like that, and we have the little textile card that comes with all Louis Vuitton items, and we've just got the made in stamp just there and the date code just behind that tab. So we've just got a little vachetta leather tab there, and then inside it's just a black bottomless pit. Like, literally there's no pockets or anything inside. It's just literally one empty slot that you can just chuck everything in. And my phone does fit in here. So I have the iPhone XS or XS, and that fits in. I do have to put it slightly on an angle because I do have a case on it. But I mean, it fits perfectly in here, and a lot of other things. So you'll be surprised at how much actually fits in here. I might do a separate what fits inside my bag video. So as I mentioned, I did get this around Lunar New Year time, so in February, and it was still at its original price, which was 1,590 Australian dollars. And just in the past couple of weeks, Louis Vuitton have actually increased some of their bags again, and this was actually included in that increase. So this is now, I think, $1,750. So I'm so glad I got this before the price increase, and this came at the perfect time. It came right before my birthday, like 2 days before my birthday, and I'll share with you guys how I managed to actually get this. So as you guys know, I'd been stalking this for months. I'd asked my essay multiple times, like on a weekly basis, if she was getting any more in, or if she knew when, or if I could be on the wait list, because by the time I wanted to put my name on the wait list, I couldn't. It was already full, and it was full like way before like Christmas, early last year probably. And yeah, it was just impossible to get my name on it, but she did say that she would keep an eye out for me. I had also been calling client services on a regular basis, not on a daily basis or anything, but just on a regular basis, and speaking with different people from the client services team to see whether or not they could put me on the wait list. But they all said, unfortunately, it was full as well. There were two that were actually really nice, and they said that they would make a note on my profile about the Nano Speedy. They said, you're not on the official wait list, but we have made a note of it. So if someone from the wait list was to decline, you could be next, or we could contact you to see if you're still interested. So I was like, that's great. Anything, just like anything in the right direction would do. This was like early in the year, like January, probably like around Christmas time. I'd been looking at this. A couple of months had passed, and the client services team were actually, some people were saying just check the website regularly and it might pop up. And I was just constantly stalking the website and checking to see if it was ever add to shopping bag. It was always call for availability, and yeah, they were just like, just keep refreshing it. But then other people, when I spoke to client services, they'd said that it won't show up on the website ever because there's such a long wait list. By the time it is about to go on the website, like there's someone else already wanting it, so they would never put it on the website. So there was just like a lot of mixed messages. So I was like, oh, there's probably no chance of me getting it. And so I kind of like forgot about it for a while. Like I tried to forget about it, but I was just like seeing it everywhere on social media. And yeah, unfortunately, I hadn't heard anything for months. And then it was the week before my birthday, so around middle of February, I got a call from one of the client services girls that I'd spoken to. So her name is Emily, and she actually contacted me a week before my birthday, and she was like, hey, like I have your name down as you're interested in getting the Nano Speedy. And I think I'd spoken to her early January or end of December, like around that time. So I was surprised that she actually contacted me in mid-February, like a couple months after. And she was like, oh, if you're still interested, I can actually order one for you, one showing up overseas, so we can actually get it shipped over from overseas, and then you can purchase it. And she's also mentioned that she noticed that it was almost my birthday. So she was like, if you're still interested, it'll be a great birthday gift. And yeah, I noticed it was your birthday, so I thought I'd give you a call now. And I was like, that is so sweet of you. Like, I had no idea. Like, she was from client services, so I've never met her before. I think I'd only spoken to her that one time when I was inquiring about it, and she made a note that I was interested in the Nano Speedy. So I was just so blown away. She was like, yeah, like I can just take payment now. I'll send you the link. You can pay. And then it may take a little while because it is coming from overseas, but it shouldn't take any more than a week, and hopefully you'll get it by your birthday. I was super, super lucky, and she was so lovely. She like organized everything for me. She wrapped it in the beautiful Lunar New Year ribbon, and also with the receipt. So because it did come via DHL, like it was kind of like an online order, like over the phone order, it did come with like the gorgeous receipt that all Louis Vuitton online comes with. So the classic Louis Vuitton receipt like that. And she also included this little card. So if you guys order online, you can include like a little gift message, and it comes in this beautiful Louis Vuitton sleeve. So it just comes in like that. And she actually wrote happy birthday Natalie on it. So I don't know if you can see that, but I thought that was so sweet. Like, I never heard of any like client services person doing this. It's so nice of her to include that. So it just made my birthday so much more special. I'm so grateful that she contacted me. And when it arrived, I was so happy with it. Like, I checked everything, and everything about it is perfect, because I had heard people say that, for example, like these grommets here, or rivets, I'm not sure what they're called, but these little buttons here that have LV engraved on it, some people say that it's upside down or like sideways, and that's just normal because of how they make it. But these are actually perfectly aligned, so they're perfectly straight. You would kind of expect that from such a prestigious brand like from Louis Vuitton, because they do pay so much attention to detail, to their craftsmanship. You'd think that something like that, they would keep the LV logos upright. Just like with the canvas, they never cut off the LV logos. In the canvas, you'll notice that they cut off like the little logos. It's like the symbols or the fleur-de-lis itself, but never the LV logo. And the date code was just made this year, early this year too. So it's brand new. And even the inside of the rivet, so on the other side of the little rivets there, it has the LV logo, and all of these are right side up too. So I was just amazed at how perfect this one was. Like, fair enough if these were right side up, so then the back would be kind of upside down or not right side up, but everything is just perfect. So I'm so happy with this one, and as a happy customer, I wanted to let her know that I received it and I was super happy with it, and I was so grateful that she thought of me for my birthday too. And so I had actually rang the client services number again. It wasn't like the 1300 number, it was like a Sydney number. I think it's from the warehouse or the head office in Sydney. And I remember her saying like if I needed any assistance with anything else or to find something, I could just contact her on that number. She didn't actually give me her personal number or like a direct number. I mean, not her personal number, but like her direct number. So I thought I would just give it a go. I thought I'd just call back that number and see if I could talk to her. Her name was Emily, and that's quite a common name. So I was like, if I can't speak to her, I'm sure I could just leave a message with whoever I speak to and let her know and thank her for her help. And when I called that number, it was actually her that picked up. So I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. I told her that I just received it. I'm so happy with it. It came right before my birthday, and she was so lovely. She was like, I'm so happy to hear that. And she asked about my birthday plans and what I had installed. So thank you to Emily. I'm sure she's probably not watching this video, but if you are, thank you so much for all your help. It means so much to me, and it just made my birthday so special this year. So yeah, this is my new Nano Speedy from Louis Vuitton. I just am so in love with it. I just can't stop smiling because this little bag is just perfect. And now that I have my Nano Speedy, I can finally use the accessories that I had got to accessorize this. So I had actually got these two little accessories here, and I showcased these in a video of mine, so I'll link that video up here if you haven't seen it yet. But I got these two cute little vachetta leather keychains here from Organize My Bag. I do have a 10% discount code at Organize My Bag, so I'll leave that code in the description box below, and also a link to these two. So this is the small vachetta leather luggage tag, and this is just like the tassel, like vachetta leather tassel. So I could not wait to finally get this Speedy Nano because I can finally hook these on. So I'll just hook it on like that, and it's super easy. So now I've also got a little tassel. So I don't know if I want to wear these two together. Is that too much? Kind of overpowers it a bit, or just wear them separately. So that's what it looks like together. Or if I just take the luggage tag off and just have the tassel, I think that's also really cute. Or I could just have it with the luggage tag. So like that. Oh, that's cute as well. It looks more like a little travel bag. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer it with the little luggage tag or the little tassel, or just having it plain? I would love to hear what you guys think. I haven't had a chance to use it yet because I do want to spray her with a leather, like a water protector spray, because there's so much vachetta leather on it, and I'm just scared of getting it stained or getting it marked up or anything. So I do need to go out and purchase a new bottle. I do use the kiwi spray. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave it in the description box below, but I have mentioned it before, and I've used it on my other pieces like the mini pochette and also pochette accessoire. I know some people don't like to use stuff like that, like apple guard, because they like the patina look. And I mean, I do like the patina look, but I do want it to be even. I don't like it when it's like super dark around some parts of the bags and then super light. So I'm hoping that leather spray will kind of help make it age really well and evenly. So yeah, I will do that before I start using it. And as I mentioned, I did get this last month, so it's been quite a while, and I've just been admiring it ever since. But yeah, this is my new bag in my collection. I know I said I've reached purse piece, and I truly have, but this was just the exception because of how cute it is and how iconic it is to the Louis Vuitton brand. It's more like a collector's piece to me, I would say. Like, as much as it is functional and practical with the long leather strap, it is also really classic to the Louis Vuitton brand. And I've been collecting Louis Vuitton for a really long time, ever since I was in uni, and it's just been a really good experience and really good journey for me in my luxury buying journey anyway. And so I thought this will be the perfect addition to my collection. So yeah, this is my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. I absolutely love it. I will do a separate video of what fits inside and mod shots and everything like that. In this video, I just want to unbox it and share it with you guys and share with you guys how I got it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see what fits inside here and more videos, don't forget to subscribe and join me for future videos. I have a lot more content planned, so stay tuned for that. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.